Hybrid vehicles are becoming increasingly popular as people look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and save on fuel costs. These vehicles, which use a combination of a traditional internal combustion engine and an electric motor, offer many benefits over traditional gasoline-only vehicles. In this essay, we will explore the history of hybrid vehicles and how they have evolved over time. The concept of a hybrid vehicle dates back to the late 1800s, when Ferdinand Porsche developed a hybrid electric internal combustion engine vehicle. However, it was not until the late 20th century that hybrid technology became more widespread. In the 1990s, Toyota and Honda both introduced hybrid vehicles to the market, and other automakers soon followed suit. The first hybrid vehicles were small, fuel-efficient cars like the Toyota Prius, which was introduced in Japan in 1997 and in the United States in 2000. These early hybrid vehicles used a technique called parallel hybrid powertrain, which allowed them to switch between the internal combustion engine and the electric motor as needed. This allowed the vehicles to get better gas mileage and emit fewer emissions than traditional gasoline-only cars. As hybrid technology has developed, automakers have introduced new types of hybrid powertrains. A series hybrid powertrain, for example, relies solely on the electric motor for propulsion, with the internal combustion engine used only to generate electricity to power the motor. This type of hybrid powertrain is found in vehicles like the Chevrolet Volt and the BMW i3. Another type of hybrid powertrain is the plug-in hybrid, which can be charged by plugging it into an electrical outlet. These vehicles have a larger battery pack than traditional hybrids and can travel longer distances on electric power alone before switching to the internal combustion engine. The Toyota Prius Prime and the Chevrolet Bolt are examples of plug-in hybrid vehicles. Hybrid technology has come a long way in a short amount of time, and it continues to evolve. In recent years, automakers have begun to introduce mild hybrids, which use a smaller electric motor and battery pack than traditional hybrids. These vehicles cannot be driven solely on electric power, but they can still improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. There are also strong hybrids, which use a larger electric motor and battery pack and can be driven for longer distances on electric power alone. These vehicles, like the Toyota Highlander Hybrid and the Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, offer the benefits of both an electric and a gasoline-powered vehicle. One of the main advantages of hybrid vehicles is that they are more fuel-efficient than traditional gasoline-only cars. Hybrid vehicles can get significantly better gas mileage, as they are able to use both the electric motor and the internal combustion engine to power the car. This means that they can go further on a single tank of gas, saving drivers money on fuel costs. Hybrid vehicles also emit fewer emissions than traditional gasoline-only cars. Because they rely on both an electric motor and an internal combustion engine, they produce fewer greenhouse gases, which contribute to climate change. This makes them a more environmentally friendly choice for drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint. In addition to these benefits, hybrid vehicles are also becoming more affordable. As the technology has become more widespread, the cost of hybrid vehicles has decreased, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Despite these advantages, hybrid vehicles do have some drawbacks. One of the main concerns is the cost of the technology. Hybrid vehicles can still be more expensive than traditional gasoline-only cars, although the gap has narrowed in recent years. Another concern is the availability of charging infrastructure. While most hybrid vehicles can be charged at home, there are still relatively few public charging stations available for drivers who need to charge their vehicles. Long-distance trips require extensive planning and preparation to take advantage of the existing infrastructure. Ultimately, the future of vehicles will involve electricity in some way, shape, or form. Traditional combustion engines are no longer sustainable as we adapt to our changing climate. The final results of the electric and hybrid car movements remain to be seen, but, for now, it appears that hybrid vehicles are here to stay. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.